everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple very simple face toner using olive oil. So you can use any oil of your choice. You can use sunflower oil, you can use any oil of your choice would be good. So what are we going to use? We have 3 ingredients to use here, and we have the fourth one, but it's up to you. You can add it or not add it. So we're going to use a solubilizer. Number 1 ingredient is a solubilizer. We're going to use a preservative. Okay, then we're going to use an emollient, so a natural carrier oil. That is our emollient of choice. Then I am going to use an humectant. I'm going to use a vegetable glycerin as my humectant. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to show you my scale. So please sorry, bear with me. We are going to measure 1 gram. Make sure you measure the same amount of your solubilizer and the same amount of your oil. So because I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil at 2 gram, I will measure 2 gram also of my solubilizer. So any solubilizer of choice will do. Okay, just make sure you get any solubilizer of your choice. So I will use 2 gram of my solubilizer. My solubilizer is called Natragem. Bear with me, I use a little bit, but at least you understand that it's for illustration purpose. Then to that I'll add 2 gram of olive oil. I'm going to mix both together. You ask me, why am I using Natragem? Natragem is a solubilizer that can do the work of polysorbate 80 or polysorbate 60 perfectly. So if I want to solubilize oil, I will use Natragem. Okay, for this one you don't want to use polysorbate 20 or the rest. Use, if you have polysorbate 80 or 60, you can use also, but remember those will turn milky. So this one I'm using Natragem because it's capable of solubilizing carrier oil. Okay, that is our first step. Then I'm going to add my preservative to that at 1 gram. I'll mix it well. Then followed by my distilled water. Okay, but before I add my distilled water, I'm going to add my humectant. I want to use vegetable glycerin, so I'm going to add my vegetable glycerin at 5 gram. Bear with me, I might have had more, but at least you know that I'm using vegetable glycerin at 5 gram. Then I'm going to top it up with water until it gets to 100 gram water. So I'm using a precision scale, so I'm going to add the water until it gets to 100 gram. Perfect, and we are done. So basically mix it well. You ask me, what are the foams doing? Remember, we use a solubilizer, right? So this is a very great grain solubilizer, and it's going to clear. The foam is going to settle in the next few hours. So basically all you have to do is pour your olive oil face toner into the appropriate bottle and enjoy it. This is a very interesting project in that, you know, when you use extra virgin organic olive oil, okay, and the glycerin that you use is going to deposit a lot of beauty into your skin. It's very good. I've tried it and my friend have tried it. This is a perfect DIY to give a try. You ask me, is this suitable for for the shelf? Of course not. Any DIY project I show you on this channel is not suitable for making for selling. Okay, it's just for DIY, because you have to sell a product to the public. It involves several other steps, making sure you know what you're doing before you say this to the public. So if you want to learn how to make beauty product for the shelf, stable beauty product for the shelf, head over to stablecosmeticformulas.com. I launched that several years ago to help formulator, especially those that I've seen that graduated from Formula Botanica and others other online school that don't know what they're doing. I launched that so as to help them and guide them right before they start making product to sell, so as to set them up for success. So we have a lot of formulation projects at Stable Cosmetic Formula. It's something you want to give it a try. And also, in addition to our monthly formulation project, I also provide free mentorship for all members. So it's something you want to take advantage of. And I wish you the best in your formulation journey. Remember, don't start making product to sell to the public if you haven't really mastered your formulation skill well. So you want to make sure your formulation skill is properly mastered before you start selling to the public. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I wish you happy formulating in your endeavors. I'm our couple of next project. You can see that I don't post that much on this channel. It's summertime, and we have a lot of project going on the site, and also with a couple of clients. So we usually don't make too much video here on this channel in summertime, but we'll give our best to continue to update you. Okay, so happy formulating. Remember, to be a good formulator, you have to continue to make products. Okay, formulation takes time, and once you are perfect, you want to master your skill by making different products, and that's how to set yourself up for success. I wish you the best in your formulation journey, and happy formulating, friends.